Hello everyone, am I audible to everyone? Sir, am I audible? Okay. So today we are going to solve some 7 more questions in circles. Shall we start? Okay. The first question is, find the equation of the circle passing through the points. Points 3, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 4. Right? Right. What they given to us? They given 3 points, right? Right. What they ask us to find? They ask us to find the, sorry, fine. They ask us to find the equation of the circle, right? Okay. Okay, they ask us to find the equation of the circle, right? Okay. Now we are going to solve this sum, right? Right. Solution. Okay. They given 3 points. I'm going to name it as A, B, and C. Let A be 3, 2 and B be 3, 4 and C be 1, 4. Right? Clear? Clear. It's 1, 4. And I'm going to find we are going to find the equation of a circle. For that, I'm going to assume another point. Let S be the another point. It will be X, Y. I'm going to consider this point as a center of the circle. Let S of X, Y be the center of record circle. Right? Right. So imagine it's circle. Right? So point A is somewhere, point B is somewhere, and point C is somewhere on the circle. And here gonna be our center S. Right? If I draw a line S that joins A and S, it will act as a radius. Yes. Whenever a line is from a center and ends in a circle, then it will act as a radius. So, from this thing, we can conclude that SA equals SB equals SC. Right? Whenever we can draw which line from the center to the circle, it will act as a radius. Radius of the circle always remains the same. So SA equals SB equals SC. Right? Right. For my solving purpose, I'm going to square these. So SA equals SB, SA square equals SB square equals SC square. Right? Right. I will give you 1 more minute so that you can copy this down and we can move to the next step. Is my voice is audible to all? If no means put no in the chat box. Okay, I hope you all copied this. Now I'm going to rub this and we start solving this sum. Okay. So I'm going to, you know that SA squared equals SB squared equals SC squared, right? Right. Okay, for solving, I'm going to take this part alone, right? Right. So, what is SA squared? We already learned it, right? So, SA squared equals SB squared. Now we are going to take this, right? So, what is a SA? SA is a distance between a point A and S, right? Right. So, before solving this, we have to find SA squared, SB squared, and we also have a SC squared, right? We are going to find these three, right? SA equals, okay, I'm going to write S A B and C for my reference purpose, right? Right. So SA equals square root of, SA is a distance, right? What is the formula of distance? D is equal to square root of x1 minus y1 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So we are going to consider this and this. I'm going to consider S as x1, y1 and A as x2, y2, right? Then the equation will be x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square. If I am going to square on both sides, SA square equals, while we are squaring the square root, it get cancelled. So x minus 3 the y squared plus y minus 2 the whole squared, right? Right. Similarly, SB equals square root of x minus 3 the whole squared plus y minus 4 the whole squared. So SB equals x minus 3 the whole squared plus y minus 4 the whole squared, right? Right. So SC, this will be SB squared, so that square root and the square get cancelled. SC equals square root of x minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square. When we square SC, square root and square will get cancelled. X minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square. So now we get SA squared, SB squared and SC squared. Now we are going to separate this equation as two parts and we are going to solve this and we will find the center. Okay? Okay, I will give you 1 minute so that you can copy this down. I hope you all copied this. Shall I rub? Okay. Okay. So I'm going to take this part first. So which is SA squared, which is equals SB squared. Right? What we have for SA squared, which is x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square, which is equals what we have for SB squared, x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square. Right? So when we move x minus 3 the whole square this side, it will become x minus 3 the whole square minus x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square, which is equals y minus 4 the whole square. So x minus 3 the whole square minus x minus 3 the whole square will be 0. So 0 plus we are going to expand this. It is in a form of super a minus b the whole squared. Okay. A minus b the whole squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Right? So we are going to apply this here. So y squared plus 4 minus 2ab, 2, 4y. So minus 4y equals, here also y minus 4 the whole square, which is also like in a minus b the whole square format. So y, a squared will be y squared plus 16 minus 2, 4y. So it will be 8y. 8y? Yes. So, shall we move all these terms here? Yes. So, to make this as an equation, I'm going to move this side to the another side. What we have? Y squared plus 4 minus 4y minus y squared minus 16. So, minus 8y equals 0. So, y squared minus y squared get cancelled. So, it will be plus 8y, right? Right. Minus 4y plus 8y will be plus 4y. Minus 16 plus 4 will be minus 12, which is equal 0. I'm going to move this 12 here. 4y, which is equals 12. 1 4s are 4. 3 4s are 12. So y, which is equals 3. Clear? Clear. So I will give you 1 more minute so that you can copy this down and we can move to the next step. No audio, ma'am. Did anybody also have any audio issues? Am I audible now? I'm giving 1 minute to copy this down, so maybe like you may don't get my audio, right? Right. Okay. So I hope you all copied this. Shall I wrap it now? Yes. Okay, super. What we solved for? We solved for s a squared equals sb squared. Now we are going to solve this part. Sb squared, which is equals sc squared, right? Right. What we solved for sb squared? X minus 3 the whole squared plus y minus 4 the whole squared, which is equals x minus 1 the whole squared plus y minus 4 the whole squared, right? Right. So here also we have the same terms, right? Right. So both are same. 1 second, my audio is super. Okay. So now I am going to move this 4 y minus 4 the whole square to this side. So x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square minus y minus 4 the whole square, which is equals x minus 1 the whole square, right? Right. It is in the format of what? Like we already see it, right? A minus b the whole squared format, right? We can expand it as a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So we are going to substitute this in this formula. So what will we get? So x squared plus 9 minus 2ab. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x. It will be minus 6x. So this term minus this term will be 0. Which equals again. This x minus 1 the whole square also lies as same format as that of a minus b the whole square. So x squared plus 1 squared minus 2 1x. So it will be 2x. Right? Right. Now I'm going to move this entire term to my left side. Right? So it will be x squared plus 9 minus 6x minus x squared minus 1 and plus 2x equals 0. So x squared minus x squared will get cancelled. So here minus 6x here plus 2x. So answer will be minus 4x plus 9 minus 1. So plus 8 equals 0. I'm going to take this minus 8, sorry, plus 8 to this side. So minus 4x equals minus 8. Minus 8 minus will get cancelled. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So x will be equal to 2. Right? Right. While solving this SA squared equals SB squared, we get the value of y that is equals 3. While solving this part, SB squared which is equal to SC squared, we get the value of x. So now we know what's the center, right? So we already take x comma y as a center. Now we know the values of x and y. So now we have we have center. So I will give you 1 more minute so that you guys can copy this down and we can move to the next step of this sum. Do you have any doubt till now? If you have any doubt, just ping me in the chat. Okay, I hope you guys copy this. So I'm going to rub this. Okay. Shall we start? Okay. What we already know? We already know center of circle. S, which is what we take? X comma y, right? We already find the value of x and y. So what will be the center? For x we find 2. For y we find 3. Super. So we find the value of point of center, right? Right. Okay. So now we are going to find the radius. Okay. So what will be the radius? So for a circle, the line joining from a center to the circle will be radius, right? I know center is S. And we know a point in a circle A, right? So if I calculate the distance between S and A, it will be it will be the radius, right? So radius R equals SA. So now I'm going to calculate SA. SA equals square root of x1 minus x2 y1 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So I'm going to take S 2 comma 3 and A 3 comma 2, right? Right. X1 minus x2. 2 minus 3 the whole square plus again 3 minus 2 the whole square y1 minus y2 which is equal square root of 3 minus 2. 2 minus 3 will be minus 1 the whole square plus 3 minus 2 will be 1 the whole square. So which is equals 1 square will be 1, 1 plus 1 will be 2. So radius R, SA distance. So radius is equals 2, right? Right. So what we have now? We have center, right? Which is 2, 3. And we have the radius now, which is root 2. Super. So we all know that the equation of a circle. Okay. The equation of the circle formula. So when we have center and radius, the equation of a circle formula will be, so center as a, we are going to say, take center as h comma k and radius r is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square, which is equals r square, right? This is a general formula, right? It is like a formula. We already learned it, right? A minus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Like that, if you have a center and a radius, then the equation of circle will be this standard format. We can substitute the center 2, 3 in place of h and k, and we know the value of r, so that you can substitute that here. So now you know the equation. So you can also start to solve. So I will give you 1 more minute so that you can copy this and we can solve this. Right? So kindly copy it first. Okay, super. I hope you all copy this. Yes? Yes. So I am going to rub this and we can start solving. Okay. So what is the general formula? X minus h the whole square, y minus k the whole square, which is equals r square. Right? Now we have a center. What is the center? We solved it, right? S of x comma y, which is equals 2, 3. So in place of h we have 2. So the formula will be x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus, who is in the place of k here? Y. So here in this place, who is that? 3. 3 is equals. So radius square. What we find out radius? Radius is equals root 2. Root 2 the whole square. Right? Right. Super, right? Shall we solve this? So it is in the format of a minus b the whole square. So a squared plus b squared minus 2 to 2ab, right? 2ab. So 4x plus, again it is also in the format of super a minus b the whole square. So a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, which is equals root 2 the whole square, which is equals to 2. Okay. So I'm going to rearrange this and going to take this to this side. So x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y. Already these two times. 4 plus 9 equals plus 13 minus 2, which is equals 0. X squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y minus 11 equals 0. This is the equation of a circle. Right? Is everybody clear with this? Yes. So I will give you 1 more minute so that you can copy this And we can move to the next sum. If anybody have doubt in this, you can stop me here and ask and put those doubt in the chat box. Okay. Okay, super. So I'm going to rub this and we can start solving the next sum. Okay. Okay, next sum must show that points 1, 1 minus 6, 0 minus 2, 2 and minus 2, minus 8 are concyclic. Okay. What they given? They given 4 points, right? What they ask us to prove? They ask us to prove it is a concyclic. What is meant by concyclic? Okay. In a circle, if all these 4 points, right? 1, 1, minus 6, 0, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 8. If all these guys lies on a circle, then we call these 4 points as concyclic or cocyclic. If all these points, all the given points lies on a circle, right? Correctly on the circle, we can say they are concyclic. Okay? Okay. So now we know the question, right? Right. So shall we start solving? Yes. Okay. Solution. Okay, we have 4 points, right? So I'm initially going to name this as A, B, and C, D. Let the given points are A will be 1, 1 and B will be minus 6, 0 and C will be minus 2, 2 and D will be minus 2, minus 8. Right? Okay. What we are going to do now is we are going to find the required equation of a circle, right? So that we can find whether all these things are lie on a circle. So that I'm going to take the standard equation of a circle. Okay. Let the required equation of circle be. So they don't give us an equation, right? Is there any equation in the question? Of course, no. So we are going to take the standard equation. So what is that? X squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Clear? Clear. I'm going to name this as equation number 1. Clear? Clear. So in this equation, I'm going to substitute the point A. Sub A 1, 1 in equation 1. So what is the x coordinate? 1. What is the y coordinate? 1. So in place of x, we are going to substitute 1. In place of y, we are going to substitute this y coordinate. Right? In the equation 1. So 1 squared plus 1 squared plus 2g of 1 plus 2f of 1 plus c, which is equals 0. So I am going to solve this. So 1 squared plus 1 will be 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c equals 0. I'm going to take this to this side. So 2g plus 2f plus c equals minus 2. Clear? Clear. So I am going to consider it as equation 2. I will give you 1 minute so that you can copy this and we will move to the next sum, right? Okay, GN, it's nothing but given, right? Okay, I will replace it. It will be given. Okay, clear? Okay, I hope you all copied this. Shall I wrap? Okay. Okay. For our verification, I'm going to, here the board is too small. So I will wrote the importance equations here, right? We already have equation number 1. What is equation number 1? X squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 6, c equals 0. It is 1. We already solved 2, right? Which is 2g plus 2f plus c equals minus 2, which is 2. Okay. So now I am going to sum the second point B, which is minus 6 comma 0 and equation 1. It is EQNS equation, right? Okay. So in place of, it will be xy. So in place of x, we are going to substitute minus 6. In place of y, we are going to substitute 0. So x squared will be minus 6 the whole square plus y squared will be 0 squared plus 2g into minus 6 plus 2f into 0 plus c equals 0. Clear? Minus 6 the whole square is equals 36. 0 squared will be 0 and minus, so 2 multiplied by minus 6, so minus 12g. The entire term will become 0 plus c equals 0. Right? I'm going to take this 36 here. So it will be minus 12g plus 6, c equals minus 36. I'm going to consider it as equation 3. Clear? Clear. Just like this, we are going to substitute c minus 2 comma 2 and equation 1. Remember, we are substituting point A, B, C. All the points in equation 1 only. Clear? Clear. Again, EQN is equation. So it will be like x and y. So in place of x, we are going to substitute minus 2. In place of y, we are going to substitute 2. So minus 2 the whole square plus 2 square plus 2g2. 2g minus 2 plus 2f2 plus c equals 0. So 4 plus 4 minus 4g minus 4g plus 4f plus c equals 0. So 4 plus 4 will be 8. I'm going to take this 8 this side. So 4g plus 4f plus c equals minus 8. So 4 plus 4 will be 8. It is a positive 8. When we take this here, it will become minus 8. Clear? I am going to take this equation as equation number 4. Clear? I will give you 1 more minute so that you guys can copy this and we can move to the next step. It's 4. Till now, do you have any doubts? If you have means just put it in a text box so I will reply that. Reply to that. Okay, I hope you all copied this so you can run. So for our reference, I will write the equation 2, 3 and 4 here. What is 3? Minus 12g plus 6 equals minus 36. What is 4? Write it. So minus 4g plus 4f plus c equals minus 8. It's 4. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So for solving purpose, I'm going to take these two equations first. So I'm going to subtract 3 from 2. I'm going to subtract this from this, right? So it will be 2 minus 3. Next will be 3 minus 4. Sorry, 2 minus 4. Okay. So I'm going to take 2 minus 3 here. So what is equation 2? 2g plus 2f plus c equals minus 2. What is equation 3? Minus 12g plus c equals minus 36. So what we done? I'm going to subtract. So is already minus. So minus of minus will be plus. So here plus. So minus. Here minus will be plus. Right? So we are just going to add this. Plus 12 plus 2. So it will be 14g plus 2f. C and c will be get cancelled because it is positive c. It's minus c. Plus 36 minus 2 will be plus 34. Right? I am going to divide all these by 2. So 14 by 2, 7g plus 2 by 2 will be 1. So f is equals 34 by 2, 17. I am going to consider it as equation 5. Right? Right. So I'm going to rub the first equation. And in the place, I'm going to write the fifth one. 7g plus f equals 17 will be 5. Clear? Clear. I will give you 1 more minute so that you can copy this and we will start the next sum. Sorry, next part of this sum. Yeah, I hope you all copied this, so I'm going to rub this. As I said earlier, we are going to do, already we did 2 minus 3. Now we are going to do 2 minus 4. So what is 2? 2g plus 2f plus c equals minus 2. What is 4? Minus 4g plus 4f plus c equals minus 8. So we are going to separate. So we are going to change the sign. So plus, it will be minus, it will be minus. So it will be plus. Plus 4g minus 2g. Sorry. Here we have plus 4g and plus 2g. So it will be 6g minus 4f plus 2f. So it will be 2f. C and C will get cancelled, which is equals plus 8 minus 2 will be plus 6. Clear? I'm going to divide the equation by 2. So it will be 6 by 2 will be 3g minus f, which is equals 3. I'm going to consider it as equation number 6. Clear? I will give you one more minute so that you can copy this around. Right? This I have hard copy. Okay, I hope you all copy. Okay. So what is equation 6? It's 3g minus f equals 3, which is 6. Fine. Okay. So for what purpose we are doing so many equations? We are going to find the value of g, f and c so that we can proceed, right? So you can easily get the value of f and g by solving this and this, right? I'm just going to add equation number 5 plus equation number 6. What is equation 5? 7g plus f equals 17. 3g minus f equals 3. So we are going to directly add. It is 10g minus f plus f will be get cancelled and 17 plus 3 will be 20. Right? 1 tens are 10, 2 tens are 20. So value of g is 2. Clear? Clear. So you can copy it. So we move to the next step. Clear? Clear. Shall I rub? Yes. So we know g equals 2. So sub g equals 2 in 6, right? So that we can easily get the value of f here. So which is 3g minus f equals 3. In place of g, we can put 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 minus f equals 3. So it is 6 minus f equals 3 minus f equals 3 minus 6 minus f equals 3 minus 6 will be minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled. Therefore, f equals 3, right? Okay. So now we know the value of g and f, right? Right. Okay. We can easily solve the value for c, right? Right. So we have this equation, right? Equation number 3. We can easily substitute g and get the value of c, right? Right. So you guys copy this. Now we will do this one too. Right? For our reference. G equals 2 and f equals 3. Okay. Okay, I'm going to substitute g equals 2 in equation 3. What is equation 3? minus 12g plus c equals minus 36. What is g2? So minus 12 multiplied by 2 plus c equals minus 36, right? So it will be minus 24 plus c equals minus 36. I'm going to remove this minus 24 here. So it will be minus 36 plus 24, which is equals minus 12. So the value of c is equals minus 12. Clear? Clear. Copy this done. Now we have the value of G, F and C. For solving this, we did so many steps, right? Right. So as like recap, we are provided with 4 points. So we take the general equation and we substitute the point A, B and C in this general equations. So we get 3 equations. By solving these equations, we find the value of G, F and C, right? Right. So, shall I run? Okay. Okay. So, G equal to 2, F equals 3 and C equals minus 2. Sorry, minus 12. We are going to sub these in equation 1. What is the equation 1? X squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Shall we sub? Okay, x squared plus y squared. G will be 2. So 2 into 2 plus 4y, sorry 4x plus 2. Here what the value of f? 3. So 2 3s are 6y. Value of c will be minus 12, which is equals 0. Right, I am going to take this as equation 7. So it is the equation of a circle, right? Okay. So we find the equation of a circle which already contains point A, B and C. What we are going to prove? We have to prove all the point D, 4 points which include point D are lies on a same circle, which means they are all cyclic, right? If this has to happen, the point D will also satisfy this condition, right? Shall we check? If we substitute the point in this equation, it will become 0, right? If it happens, these 4 points are concyclic. Shall we check? Yes. Okay. If A, B, C, D are concyclic, then D, which is minus 2 comma minus 8, satisfies equation. EQN is equation, right? The above equation 7, right? Okay, it will be X, it will be Y. We are going to substitute minus 2 in place of X and minus 8 in place of Y. Okay, shall we start? X squared, so minus 2 squared plus Y squared minus 8 squared plus 4 multiplied by X. X will be minus 2 plus 6 multiplied by Y, which is minus 8 minus 12 equals 0. So minus 2 the whole square will be 4 and minus 8 the whole square will be 64. 4 multiplied by minus 2 will be 8. 6 multiplied by minus 8 will be minus 48 minus 12, which is equals 0. So 64 plus 4 will be 68. Minus 8 minus 48 will be minus 56. Minus 56 minus 12 will be minus 68. Clear? So minus 68 minus 68 minus 68 will be 0. So 0 equals 0. Clear? Finally, what we have done? We have proved this point, the final point D, is also satisfies the equation 7. So hence the 4 points are concyclic, right? Right. From this we can write d minus 2 comma minus 8 lies on equation 7. So the given points are concyclic. GN means given, PTS means points. Clear? Clear. I hope you all clear with this one. Do you have any doubts? If yes means put the doubt in the chat box. Right? I will give you 1 more minute so that you can copy this. I hope you all copied this Stellar app. Okay. Shall we move to the next sum? Yes. So next sum is find the equation. I'm going to write this short equation of the circle passing through 4, 1 and 6, 5 and having center on the line 4x plus 3y minus 24, which is equal 0. So what they given? They ask us to find the equation of a circle. Super. What they given to us? They given the 2 points in a circle, and they also let us know that there is a line which passes through the center of the circle. So it will be like this. A circle. So I'm going to take this point S, which is I'm going to consider it as a center of a circle. There's a line, right? They given the equation of this line and some 2 points 4, 1, 6, 5, and they given 2 points on a circle, and they also said there is a line which is passing through this center of the circle, and they also given the equation of the line, right? Right. They ask us to find the equation of the circle, right? Right. Everybody is clear with this? Super. So we are going to solve this. Okay. Before solving this, I'm going to take this coordinate as A and this one as B. Right? Okay. It is a center. It is a point on a circle. So it will be radius. Likewise, here it is a center. It's a point on a circle. It also will be radius. Here is also radius. So SA will equals to SB. Clear? Clear. Shall we start to solve? Okay. Solution. Let A will be 4, 1 and B will be 6, 5. Let S. So already we have X and Y here. So I'm going to take the coordinates of X as S center. S as X1, Y1. Right? Right. Be the center of the circle. Circle. Okay. So we already find SA equals SB. Since S is the center and A is a point of in the circle, so it will act as a radius. Here is also S is at the center and B is a point on a circle. So their distance will be the radius. Clear? Clear. Now I am squaring on both sides. So S A squared will be equal to SB squared. Clear? Clear. So I will give you 1 more minute so that you can copy this and we will move to the next step. Yeah. I hope you all copied this. So okay, I'm grabbing this. So what we have now? We have now is S A squared equals SB squared. To solve in this, we have to find SA, SB. So what is S? X1, Y1. Clear? I'm going to give 1 more minute so that you can solve this by yourself and we can check this out, right? Try to solve this. Okay. I hope you all solved this, Alisham. Okay. So what is the formula of distance? Square root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So for SA, this will be x1 y1 and this will be x2 y2. So x minus 4 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square, right? Right. While squaring this, the square root will get cancelled. So x minus 4 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square, right? Right. Likewise, we are going to solve for SB. So which is x1, y1, this is x1, y2. So x1 minus 6 the whole square plus y1 minus 5 the whole squared. While squaring this, the square root will get cancelled. So x1 minus 6 the whole squared plus y1 minus 5 the whole squared. Clear? Clear. Shall we sub the value of these two things in the equation? Yes. x1 minus 4 the whole squared plus y1 minus 1 the whole squared, which is equals x1 minus 6 the whole squared plus y1 minus 5 the whole squared. Here all these terms are in the format of a minus b the whole squared, which is equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. I hope you all got this one right. So we are moving to the next step, right? Right. Here, this one is in the form of a minus b the whole squared. So x1 squared plus 60 minus 8x1, right? Plus y1 squared plus 1 minus 2y1, which is equals x1 squared plus 36 minus 12x1 plus y1 squared plus 25 minus 10y1, right? Right. So in both the places, we have to check for common terms, right? So think, here is positive x1, the whole square. Here is also positive x1, the whole square. So while I take this positive x1 here, it will become x1 whole square minus x1 whole square minus of x1 whole square. So it will become 0. So I am going to cancel out the common terms here. So it will get cancelled. Likewise, y1 squared will be get cancelled. Now I am moving the entire terms to the left side of the equation. So here 16 plus 1 will be 17, right? Minus 8x1 minus 2y1. Here 36 plus 25 will be 61. So it will be positive 61. When it comes here, it will become negative 61. So who else here? Minus 12x1 minus 10x. We moved all the terms here. So it will be equals 0. Right? Right. So we are going to simplify this. It will becomes, what it will become? So minus, it will be, here it is a minus, so it will becomes plus 12x1 plus 10x1. So 12x1 minus 4x1 will be 4x1. While considering these two, it will be 8y1 minus 61 plus 17 will be minus 44, which is equal 0. Right? I am going to take this equation as 1. I will give you one more minute time so that you can copy this down. Kindly do it first so that we can finish the sum quickly. Okay. I will wrap. I hope you all copied this. So for our reference, I'm going to write the equation on here. So 4x1 plus 8 y1 minus 44, which is equal 0 will be 1. Okay. So now we use the points. What we else have in a question? We have the line, right? So they said the line center of the circle passes through the line. So center S of x1, y1 lies on the line. What is the equation of the line? 4x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0. I am going to substitute this x1, y1 in this equation. So it will become 4x1 plus 3y1 minus 24, which is equals 0. I am going to take this equation as 2. Now I am going to do equation 1 minus equation 2. What is equation 1? 4x1 plus 8y1 minus 44 equals 0. 4x1 plus 3y1 minus 24, which is equal 0. I'm going to subtract, so I'm going changing the signs. So x will get cancelled. 8y1 minus 3y1 will be 5y1. It will be minus 20 equals 0. 5y1 equals 20. 1 5s are 5. 4 5s are 20. y1 equals 4. Super. Super. We are going to sub this 4 in equation 1. Okay. So that we can get the value for x1. Okay. Sub y1 equals 4 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 4x1 plus 8 y1. For y1 we have 4 minus 44 equals 0. 4x1 minus 8 4s are 32. Sorry, it's plus. Minus 44 equals 0. 4x minus 12 equals 0. I'm going to take this 12 this side. So it will be 4x1 equals 12. 1 4s are 4. 3 4s are 12. So x1 equals 3. So now we have a value of center, which is x1 and y1, right? Which is 3, 4. I will give you 1 more minute so you can copy this and we will end the sum. Quick guys, we have no time. Okay. Now we have the center, right? We have to find the radius and we will sub those things in a common equation of a circle and we will find the equation of a circle, right? Here. Center will be x1, y1 and this is 3, 4, right? Right. Now we are going to find the radius. Okay. Or which is equal to SA. Right? It is a circle. S is a center and A is a point on a circle. So it is a radius. So SA equal to square root of. So S will be 3, 4 and A will be 4, 1, right? So square root of x1 minus y1. So 3 minus 4 the whole square plus y1 minus y2. 4 minus 1 the whole square, which is root of 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 the whole square is 1 plus 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 the whole square 9. So radius is equals root 10. Clear? Clear. So what is the general equation of a circle? A circle with center C will be h comma k and radius r. It is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equals r square. Now we have center. What is the center? It is 3, 4. And what is the radius? It is root 10. We are going to sub these values here. So the equation will become x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square, which is equals root 10 the whole square. It is in the format of a minus b the whole square. So a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Likewise, here also a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, which is equals root 10 square will be 10, right? I'm going to just simplify this. So here x squared, and here we will have y squared minus 6x minus 8y. So 9 plus 16 will be 25. I'm going to take this 10 inside this, it will become minus 10. So the answer will be plus 15, which is equal 0. So finally, this is the equation of the circle. Clear? Clear. I hope you are all clear with this sum. Now you can copy this and leave. Do you have any doubts? Kindly put that in a chat box so we will discuss about that. Okay guys, thank you. If you have no doubts, we can end the meeting. Sir, we can end the meeting, sir.